Kiran here from Red to Green Trading. Uh, Today I've chosen a totally different topic to you, and I think this will be one of the important videos which I've done all these days. One of the important videos which I've done, and please do listen to this video fully and try to understand what I've told. Okay, the topic being, is it worth giving lakhs of rupees for the trading courses which are offered in the market? This doubt, I'm pretty sure it will be there in so many people's mind that they want to know exactly who is right, who is wrong, what is that they need to take, and is it worth giving so much of money into these colorful courses which have been offered in Facebook, in YouTube, and all other stuff. My dear friends, trading is something which has got a success ratio of just 2%. It's not in India, it's not in our state, it's throughout the world. It's 2 to 5% of the people make money in the trading industry, and out of which 95% lose their capital. So, having known this result, having known the reality of this outcome, reality of the success ratio in trading field, is it worth giving lakhs together, lakhs and lakhs of fees as a course to become a professional trader? Have you seen any professional who has become a consistent earner in that particular endeavor which he has chosen in just 6 months? Have you seen any international cricketer becoming a cricketer, international cricketer in 6 months? Have you seen an actor, the heroes of a movie, becoming a heroes in 6 months, taking some course and becoming? Have you seen a doctor becoming a doctor, professional doctor in 6 months? No, my dear friends. It's impossible. It's highly impossible. You can never ever become whatever the gift the God has given you, however talented you are, however intelligent you are, and you follow all the courses and you become proficient in all the thing whatever they have taught you, still you can never ever become a professional in the trading industry, because trading is something which is not written anywhere. It's not the written technical thing. It's not the data which will tell you that this is going to, you should do this, you'll get this. If you don't do this, you'll not get this. No, there is no written data on what you need to exactly do. It's just the game of probabilities. So it's a mere probability. In the doctor's profession, heart has 4 chambers. There is something which is already there and which will be there. It can never change. Only thing is, you need to know some fine-tuning information about the heart. If you know about that heart, it is all the same throughout. You know about the joints, you know about the structure of the skin, you know about the eyes, you know about the tongue, you know. All these things are already written. We can't change. There are so many cells. The structure is like this. The working pattern is like this. If you do this, if you give this information, this will be right. If you give this medicine, that you can set that right. But can you do that in trading? Trading is not that easy. Trading is not such field where you read something in the book and implement the same thing on that and you will become a successful trader. No, my dear friends. Because I myself, in this 4 years of my trading journey, I've taken nearly around 9 courses, ranging from 2,000 rupees to 1,30,000 rupees. The time frame, 1 hour to maybe 15 days or even 1 month I've taken. So by the end of the day, once I start seeing, coming to this point, after finishing all these courses, if I go into the trading live market, all those things will just constitute to around 15% of your trading knowledge, what you require for becoming a professional. There's a huge gap. There's a very humongous gap in the trading field by the course what you have taken. It will never fill this gap. Filling that gap, what you need to do is It's the training of your mind, which no course can do. It's only you who can do this. Have you come across any professional who has become a professional in 6 months? Take it in the trading industry itself. Just ask any professional if he has reached that stage by doing just a 6 months course or 1 year course. No, because training your mind is not easy. Your mind will not come to your terms so easily. It requires lot of effort, consistent effort from your side. Of course, the technical knowledge is necessary for operating it, but only for operating it, only for buying and selling, only for seeing the patterns, only to know where is the support and where is the resistance. But once you enter into trade, it's impossible. You can't write the trade. No matter if it is going in the positive direction or in the negative direction, you will never be able to make money consistently. Maybe in one trade, two trades, 10 trades, 1 month, 2 months, you have been earning some sort of a money, but you can't make this consistently. And I'm pretty sure you might have experienced this. So my humble request is, do not pay lakhs and lakhs of money and they can never make you a professional traders. Don't fall into trap of all these things. This is a course mafia, what I call. If you really want to become a professional, first thing is, don't expect money from trading. Initial days are your lost days. Lost days are your training days in trading. The lost trades, what you take initially, are the things which are going to make you a professional. It's not the course, it's not the 6 months or 1 year course which is making you a professional. No, it's the loss, it's the decision what you take, it's the greed what you control is what is going to make you a professional trader. So please do not fall into this trap. At max, you can pay around 10,000 rupees for the technical analysis knowledge to know what is candlestick patterns, to know what are candles, to know where the reversal happens, to know the support and resistances, to know all the different edging patterns, what is options, what is there in options, what is put, what is call. There are so many such things which you need to know. But as I said, all these things put together is just 15%. So, want to become a professional trader? Spend a lot of mind, spend a lot of your mind, energy, time in front of the system. If you're not spending in front of the system, if you're not taking individual trades, do not take any tips from anyone. You just analyze, no matter if it goes wrong. Of course, it will go wrong. No one has become a professional by doing all right things. Only the wrong things are going to teach you and make you a strong person in this particular industry. Do some wrong things, but make sure you're not trading more and expecting money. The first thing what makes you go bankrupt in this is expecting money from the trading industry. You cannot make money in trading industry because you are a child in this particular market. You don't know anything. You may be a brilliant or a clever or intelligent person in your own industry, your own endeavor, whatever you're doing in your business, your job, whatever you're doing. But coming to trading industry, you are still a small child. You need to start from ABCD. Can a child who is studying ABCD, who's learning the alphabets, earn money in that? It's impossible. Please have this mindset. And there are lots and lots and lots of things you need to understand. You need to analyze. You need to implement. You need to hold. You need to have a grip on your mind. So all these things come only with consistent effort what you put on the live market. So my sincere effort, my sincere request is, please do not spend more than 5 to 10,000 rupees on the technical analysis. If you really have money, open an account, put a minimum amount. If you have 1 lakh, just put 10,000 or 15,000 and start taking one stocks. Do not go into futures or options. Equity, one stock. If you think that is a support, buy that. Keep a stop loss and go. Learn from everything. Learn from everything. Do not go into tips. You just make some analysis of your own and get into trading. And this is just a start. Like this, you need to do at least for 3 to 4 years. Don't think that you are going to become a professional in 1 year, 6 months, or all. It's not possible. So do this consistently for 3 to 4 years. Then you yourself will understand what the market is, what's the language of market, where you need to start, where you need to end, what is your risk to reward, what is the capital you can invest, you can put into the trading, and how many quantities you can buy. Very, very important. How many quantities you can buy, what is the stop loss, what is the profit you can expect. All these things will become clear to you only once you spend a lot of time in front of the screen, that is in front of the charts. You need to see thousands and thousands of charts, my dear friends. You need to see lakhs and lakhs of charts. You need to see. That is when you're going to understand what the market is all about. So please take this advice seriously and start following this if at all you want to succeed in this. Otherwise, please give your money to someone who can better handle your money and do whatever you're doing. Please do not put all your money into it and take your own risk. Thank you so much.